So in this question, we have 55 over x plus 6 is equal to 11. And we are required to find the positive solution to the given equation. The key statement here is positive solution. So that implies that the solution is likely to be both positive and negative. So we had only to choose the positive. So let's cross, multiply. So if we cross multiply, we are going to be having, x into bracket x plus 6 is equal to what? 55. Okay, x times x, that will be what? X squared x times 6 plus 6x. Then 55 is coming in, that's minus 55, right, is equal to 0. Okay, so what we want to do is to decompose this. The coefficient of x squared is 1 and the last term is minus 55. 1 times minus 55 will give us minus what? 55. So we are looking for two terms, and such that when we add those two terms together it will give us plus 6, and when we multiply the two terms together it will give us minus 55. And most of the time we use the factor of 55. So let's first ignore this minus for this purpose. What are the factors of 55? That is 5 and 11. I think these are just the two factors. So basically what we are looking for is how do we manipulate 5 and 11 to make this achievable. So that will give us minus 5 and plus 11. So minus 5 and plus 11 will give us plus 6, and minus 5 times 11 will give us minus 55. So that implies that wherever we see plus 6x, we replace it with what? Minus 5x plus 11x. So that would now be x squared minus 5x, right, plus 11x minus 55 will be equal to what? 0. Okay, since this decomposition is very correct, so we factor this separately and we factor this separately. One unique thing is whatever you factor inside a bracket here, we repeat itself on this side. So let's start here. What is common to both of them? That is x. So we have x into bracket x minus 5. So definitely here we're still going to be having x minus 5, right? It's got to, so the only thing is what are we going to be having outside? That would be plus 11. How do I know? X times x squared, x times minus 5 minus 5x, 11 times x, 11x, 11 times minus 5, that's minus 55, is equal to 0. So x minus 5 is common to both sides. Then we also have x plus 11 here, x plus 11. So we pick x plus 11 as a factor. So we have x plus 11, then into bracket x minus 5, right, is equal to 0. So we can say x plus 11 is equal to 0, and also x minus 5 is equal to 0. So moving plus 11 here will be given us minus 11. So x is equal to what? Minus 11, and also x is equal to minus 5 coming here will give us plus 5 is equal to 5. So our focus is the positive solution. So there are two solutions, one is negative and one is positive. So the positive solution to this problem is x is equal to 5, which we are going to be plugging in into that bracket. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.